Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I will be showing you all how I made this rose water for my skin and rose water hair mist with aloe vera gel for my hair. Enjoy. Okay guys, so you're gonna need 1 cup of rose petals and 2 cups of distilled water. Rose water has numerous benefits, and just to name a few, it promotes hair growth, hydrates hair and skin, and is beneficial for certain scalp conditions. So to begin, all I'm going to do is gently remove the rose petals from the stems, then proceed to rinsing them under running water. I'm going to add 2 cups of water in a medium-sized pot and bring that to a boil. As soon as the water begins to boil, I'm going to turn off the flame and place the rose petals in the water. I cover with a lid and let the petals steep for 30 minutes to 1 hour. I actually left mine for 1 hour, and as you can see, the petals lost their color. I'm going to strain the rose petals out of the rose water and discard the petals. Okay guys, I'm going to store some of the rose water in this small bottle, and I will be using the water as part of my skincare routine. Now moving on to the hair mist, I've already removed the aloe vera gel from the leaves of the plant, so all I'm going to do is add that together with the remainder of the rose water and mix that up for just a few seconds. After shooting the mixture, I'm going to transfer this to my spray bottle, and I'll be using the mist as part of the LOC method. And if you guys would like to read more about the LOC method, check out my Facebook page. There's so much information on all that you need to know about natural hair. Thank you so much for tuning in guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Be safe out there, okay? Bye.